This question has come in JEE examination, and question is quite simpler, but the concept that is behind here, that we have to understand whenever we are solving such kind of questions. So question is given as u vector is given as I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap, and v vector that is given as 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. V dot w, that is dot product of v vector and dot product of w vector, that is given as equal to 2, and v cross of w, like cross product of v and w, that is given as u vector plus lambda times of v vector, and we have to find the u dot w, that is the dot product that we have to find. So there is one concept that we have to understand here. The concept is given as, whenever we are writing like this, if I am writing v dot v cross of w, something like this, if I am writing it like this v vector is this one, this w vector is this one. So v dot w will give you a perpendicular vector which will go upside. Now if I want to find the angle in between v and v, v cross w, you will say that one is equal to 90 degree, because everything will get perpendicular. So see this is v vector for you, this is w vector for you. If I will do the cross product, it will become the perpendicular one. Now this perpendicular one is perpendicular also with v vector, is also perpendicular with v vector. So what you can say, the vector that we are finding which is perpendicular to v vector, and the vector we are finding which is perpendicular to w vector, which means that if I am writing it like this or I am writing it like this, w dot cross product of v and w, you will always get the answer as equal to 0. That's it. That's the concept that I want to discuss it with you. Here question is, like as I already told you, question is quite simpler, but if you will understand this concept, then we can say ki yes, this question is easy for us. Now let's move on to the concept that we have to understand, like how to solve this question, because finding answer is also an important thing in JEE examination. Firstly, we will write v cross of w, and that is equal to u vector plus lambda times of v vector, and again we will write here the value is v cross of w, that is equal to u vector plus lambda times of v vector. Here firstly we will do the dot product with v vector, and then here we will do the dot product with w vector. Here you will get v dot v cross of w, and that is equal to u vector dot of v vector plus lambda times of v vector to the whole square. I can write it like this, and this one will become v cross of w dot of w, and that is equal to u dot of w plus lambda times of v dot of w. I can write it like this. Here we already know that the dot product of v and w, that is written as 2, so I will write as 2 lambda. We have to find this one, so you will write as u dot of w from, and this one is equal to 0, which means that you will get the value of u dot of w, that is equal to minus of 2 lambda. Done. Now here you will get this one as equal to 0, v dot of u, that is I dot of 2i, that is equal to 2, minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to plus 2, and plus lambda times of root of, you will write it as 4 plus 1 to the whole square, and that is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, and this value will become 6 lambda. So you will get 6 lambda is equal to minus of 3, and the value of lambda that you will get from here, that is equal to minus of 3 by 6, which is equal to minus of 1 by 2. Hence you will get the value of lambda. Here you will put it as u dot of w, that is equal to minus of 2 lambda. Once you will put the value of lambda here, you will get the value as equal to 1. So u dot of w, that you will get the answer as equal to 1. Important thing which we have to discuss in this question, that is this one. If you will understand this concept, you can solve this question easily. Okay, so that's the thing that I have taken this question. Hope you have understood this question. Thank you, and you can see such kind of question in many of the videos that I'm making for you. You can go through with that and you will understand what is the concept that we are applying in such kind of questions. Okay, till then, let's meet in the next question. Bye everyone.